You're silly. Okay, we've got the baby boys and one little baby girl here. I say little, but not so little. Coonhounds.
Yeah, somebody was getting a beagle yesterday. They wanted to see the coonhounds. They're going, oh, he's proper. Yeah, that's about the size your beagle's going to be once full grown.
That's the little girl without the collar.
Tell me to check.
My dad, the herding partner, he picked him out off the video. My daughter picked him out. I like how his nose is going.
Wow, it just run by me and wagged its tail right up against my leg. That hurt. Hi, cutie.
I like.
Oh, you're ready to go? Wants to go hunting. Oh, we got another one wants to go hunting. It's like, where's the Kubota?
No, they didn't suggest any of that. They checked them all over. Usually if there's something like that, they'll say.
Oh, Macy.
You really try to do it. Now there's some of our pocket beagles that are related, but we don't do it.
What a crew. Hey, hey, down you go. Come on, hurry up. You got the pink collar on. Which one are you? Don't dig up the plants. Come on. You just flattened your brother. Oh man. You get down and get out of here. You get out of here. No, you can't have my shirt. Ah! Get out of here. Ah! Oh, you going in the shade? Okay. Good puppy. Good puppy. Oh, good puppies. Oh, man. We'll put you in the pond after. Oh, there's still another one. Was there bunnies in there? Oh, you're finding something with water in it. Oh, you guys are silly. You think it's the pond? It's not the pond.
Mostly they'll, I mean, when you're hunting deer and you're taking them in those buckets, most of the time, I mean, they do get on moose and go on the moose as well. We get the odd ones.
That's funny. They're laying in the water. You like that? You thought that was the pond?